In this video, I'll show you guys how to change the front camera on 7 Plus. First, turn it off. Make sure it's not connected to the charger. And start with the bottom 2 screws. Don't panic wherever you take the screws out. Put it in order. Use something thin. Go through the between glass and the metal. Don't go too much deeper because there's cables. And once it's done, open it. Now we'll go ahead and open the screws. There's 4 screws actually. Right now we'll put in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first one, I'll open the screw, but it's still not coming off. It's connected to the bottom screw, but it's okay. We'll just unscrew it, and now when you pick it up, it'll automatically open. The next step is make sure, the most important thing is unplug the battery first. Otherwise, there's very high chance of you causing a shortage if this is your first or second time, if you're working in repairs. Now we will go ahead and unplug, remove the screws from the front camera flex cable, remove the metal, disconnect it. Now open, there's 6 screws, actually probably 5 or 6, actually 5, 2 on top, 3 in the bottom. Take out the speaker. I use my finger most of the time to just remove the flex cable, because the flex cable is already bad, so I don't want to waste more time on this flex cable, and I already have a new one ready. Now we will put the new one in there. You always have to make sure how you take out, so that way you can put it back the same exact way. That is really important. This part is a little bit tricky. You have to move it around, left, right, kind of, and you don't want to apply a lot of force, because there is the connection, the sensor that's popping out, it might break. Now once it's there, you want to put the speaker, ear speaker. Put this cable on top of it. Now put the metal part, 2 screws on top, 3 on the bottom. Take your time. Don't be in a hurry. It won't take that much time anyways. That's why I don't like to fast forward these videos, so you can see how long it takes me. I have skipped some parts of the video when I was looking for something, but as far as connecting it and disconnecting, I have not skipped those parts. I've been doing repairs for so many years. That's why it seems a lot easier for me. But if you're a beginner, please watch and pay attention, and just make sure you connect the other ribbon cables first before you connect the battery. Battery connection is the last battery you want to connect, but the first connection you want to disconnect. Very easy, very simple. I'm sure you can get a hang of it. Now, screw all the screws. Make sure you put everything back to the way it used to be. Don't be in a hurry. The best way to do is write down on paper, and whatever you screw you take out, if this is your first time, make some signs next to it, make some drawing next to it, so it can be a lot easier for you. That's it. Now the bottom 2 screws. That was iPhone 7 Plus front camera replacement, but that will apply also 7 Plus, 8 Plus, very similar. Thank you for watching.